Yeah, so that's $1 million questions that I get every year. But I think we're getting very close that single cell analysis may be entering the clinic soon. For example, flow cytometry is also a single cell platform. It's, analyze the protein expression of each single cells and report these results in clinically actionable, results. I think now that single cell DNA sequencing can be combined with the protein analysis, essentially performing simultaneous single-cell DNA analysis as well as protein analysis, could potentially replace the current, assays which we separately perform the DNA analysis and the protein analysis. So I think it is really getting close that the single-cell multi-omics platform can be applied to the clinic.